let's right into the topic. What do you need to do in order to fix the issue if your FIFA 22 is crashing? First of all, I would suggest you to close everything that is related to FIFA. So whether you're using, when you're using Origin, of course, just delete or end everything related to Origin. First of all, in the less detail section, to just end Origin, and then in the more details, again, look for anything related to FIFA or to Origin and just end it, because otherwise we aren't able to do the following things. So then just hit Windows button plus R on your keyboard at the same time. And then just in this run window, type in appdata as a %appdata%. And then just click on OK. And in here, we have the option to just select anything in there and just search for Origin, or just manually search it. And then when you've found Origin, open the folder. First of all, we're going to start with the catalog cache. Open this folder and then delete everything in there. If there are a lot of files, you can also just hit Control plus A on your keyboard, and then it will automatically select everything in there. Back to Origin, in the cloud saves again here, delete everything in there. Back to Origin, consolidated cache, again, delete everything in there. Logs, the same, delete everything in there. Nucleus cache, again, delete everything in this folder. And then we are already done. We can close Origin folder, and that's already it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.